breaking news coming in. Kisan leader Baldev Singh Sirsa has refused to appear before the NIA. Sirsa had received notice from the NIA and asked to appear as a witness on 17th of Jan as a witness to the case registered on the 15th of December. This is breaking developments that we are picking up, where Kisan leader Baldev Singh Sirsa has refused to appear before the NIA. My colleague Amandeep is on the phone lines with us to give us some more clarity. Amandeep, putting things into perspective, addressing breaking news that we are picking up. Kisan leader Baldev Singh Sirsa has refused to appear before the NIA. The latest developments you are picking up.
Exactly, Aziraj. Baldev Singh Sirsa is the one who was leading the Kisan protest from the very front line, and in fact he was running a non-governmental organization also. So on 15th of this month, NIA has summoned him as a witness to ask him to appear before the NIA agency as a witness on 17th of January, like today is the day. And in fact, yesterday evening, late in the evening, Baldev Singh Sirsa revealed that he will not be able to appear before the NIA just because he has some family engagement on Sunday. And in fact, he has also given the date that he will not be able to appear before NIA till 7th of February. And in fact, meanwhile, Baldev Singh Sirsa has also put the question mark on the government that the government is quite upset with the agitation. Now they are trying to control the farm leaders, and that's why they are using the shoulder of the National Investigating Agency by sending notices to several farm leaders, including the people who are actually supporting the protest at the Delhi border. So meanwhile, he will also raise the allegation against the NIA agency and their investigation also. But on the other part, the National Investigating Agency has registered a case on 15th of December against the Sikh for Justice organization that was led by Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, a pro-Khalistani terrorist. And in fact, in that very much FIR, the NIA mentioned there are certain Khalistani, pro-Khalistani groups, including Khalistan Zindabad Force, Khalistan Liberation Force, Babar Khalsa Force, and many other forces related to the Khalistan. They are all trying to provoke the Punjabis, in the youth in Punjab, to indulge into the pro-Khalistani activities. And they are also trying to transfer the funds from US, Canada and UK to India to instigate the people, to provoke the people to provide the financial support. So that is why Baldev Singh Sirsa was a witness. He has to appear as a witness, but he denied.
All important developments that we are picking up right there, Amandeep. Many thanks for